So you need to put hot water in a beaker and put the beets inside of them. I need to stir them. After a while, the color should change to dark red as this.
My beets are not turning red. The chef is lying to us.
Stop! 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 You have put your beets in a basic solution. You need to put them in acidic solution, such as vinegar and lemon juice, to create a medium solution, such as this.
Acidic, basic, what are you talking about?
Beets have pigments called anthocyanin that change the color in a basic solution.
I still don't get it.
I'm gonna send you to Dr. Asido. She's a well-known doctor and everybody knows her. And everybody knows where clinic is. Now, I have to go. I have a date. You are as beautiful as these flowers.
Thank you, honey.
Have you noticed that these flowers are the same type?
Yes, I see that, but why are they different colors?
They have been placed in a different medium to grow in. The red flower have been placed in a soil which is a basic soil, which is pH is more than 6. The blue one has been placed in an acidic soil which is less than 6. Isn't it fascinating how the pH plays a role in the soil?
Yes, indeed. I think it's very fascinating. Ouch! I think something stung me. I think it's a bee.
If a bee stung you, that means it is an acidic sting. In order to let the pain go away, I need something basic to neutralize the sting. Okay, so I need some, I think I have the solution for your problem. I just need a basic solution to rub it on your cheeks so that the basic will counterattack the acidic and neutralize it. So wait a second, the formula for this equation is, stay with me, H3O plus HO minus gives 2H2O.
Ouch! What did you do? You burned my face. Will you stop? I'm in pain.
We should go see Dr. Asido. Your cheek looks burned. Let's go.
Okay. Okay, Dr. Asido. Dr. Asido is inside. Whose turn is it now?
I think it's my turn.
What's wrong with you?
My chest is hurting so much it burns.
Let me see. What's wrong? I must go to the lab to make a chemical reaction for you to feel better.
Okay, thank you.
My patient has heartburn, which means he has extra HCl in his stomach. In order to neutralize it, I must give him an anti-acid tablet. In order to determine how much magnesium hydroxide is in this tablet, I must grind it in order to neutralize it with HCl. I have grinded it. I have magnesium hydroxide that I must dissolve with some water. Some water. Just mix in order for it to dissolve so I can titrate it with HCl. Let me start with my titration. But first, let me make sure my titration setup is complete. I have the burette containing HCl. I have the beaker containing magnesium hydroxide, the stirrer, the magnet, and the pH meter which is connected to my computer. pH metric curve that will help me find the volume at equivalence point using the method of parallel tangents. Now the curve is drawn and the data table that shows how the pH is changing as a function of the base is added. We started with a pH of 11.24 and reached a pH of 2.36. Now the method of parallel tangents shows that the equivalence is 23.75 milliliters. So let me do some calculations in order to find how much magnesium hydroxide is in one tablet. Let's apply the stoichiometric ratio. Therefore, 1/1 moles of magnesium hydroxide is equal to 1/2 moles of HCl. Therefore, the mass of our molar mass is equal to the concentration times volume over 2. The mass is to be determined, and the molar mass is 58. The concentration of HCl is 23.75 times 0.06 over 2. And let's not forget times 10 to the power of minus 3. You must cross multiply in order to determine the mass. Therefore, the mass is equal to 0.0413 grams in 1 tablet. If I were to give him 40 grams of magnesium hydroxide, how many tablets should I give my patient? So, 0.0413 is in 1 tablet. And if I were to give him 40 grams, it's equal to how many tablets? Well, if we were to calculate it, therefore it is equal to 965.5 tablets. Okay, I must give him 965 tablets in order to cure from heartburn. I'm going to dissolve all these 965.5 tablets in a big bucket of water in order for my patient to drink them. You must drink this magnesium hydroxide solution to reveal your pain.
All of that?
Yes, all of it. You must.
Who's next?